And we're back to learn Illustrator in a year, day 122. Let me show the stacked bar graph tool. You left click on the canvas. Let me make that 500 times 500. You create your data names in the first row. Then add some values. This will be your first bar. And you can see this gets now stacked 90 degrees rotated compared to the column graph tool. Let me add another data point. And you can also flip it. So like always, use this transpose option. Let's actually work with that. And if you want to recolor it, I've shown you in the last couple of videos, just select it, go to Object, Ungroup. You will get a warning message first, confirm that, then ungroup all. And now you can hold Shift and click on the bars on these segments that you want to recolor and simply use the fill color. And this is how you can use this tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.